Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this used Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DIG-T MHEV Acenta Premium. This model is finished in grey and powered by 1.3 mild hybrid petrol engine delivering 140 PS through manual transmission. The front end features sleek LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and sculpted bumper, which gives the Qashqai modern and confident appearance. At the front you've got intelligent headlights and high beam assist, ensuring excellent visibility during darker winter evenings, and the 17-inch alloy wheels provide stable, comfortable ride. At the rear, LED taillights provide excellent clarity and visibility, complemented by sporty rear spoiler and silver bumper insert. The Qashqai offers wide practical boot opening with hard cover for extra security, and with the flexible 60/40 split folding rear seats, it adapts easily to family activities. Rear passengers benefit from supportive seating, ISOFIX mounting points, convenient storage and fold-down armrests with cup holders. The driver enjoys height adjustment, lumbar support and a clear, well-organized cabin layout. Dual-zone automatic climate control keeps the interior warm and comfortable throughout the year. The leather multifunction steering wheel houses switches for audio, phone and driver assist features, and the 7-inch HD TFT digital combi meter clearly displays driving data and other vital information. In the center of the dash, you will find control panel for your dual-zone climate control and infotainment system with DB audio through the 6-speaker system, as well as phone connectivity thanks to Bluetooth, Android Auto and USB ports for seamless integration. There's also info menu for easy access to vehicle information and driving data, and voice settings for simple voice control functions and hands-free convenience. In other settings, you've got customizable menus for displays and driver assistance, and there is also feedback from the reversing camera, offering clear visual guidance for parking in any situation. This has been a presentation of the used Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DIG-T MHEV Acenta Premium, now available at Multifunction Crewe. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.